Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the draft reels videos on your Instagram. So you just might be created a reels and you just don't posted it. So because of some mistakes, and you just saved as draft. So you can just find what are the drafts that you have been saved as reels, and you can just delete it using this particular method. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete the Reels video draft on the Instagram, or how to remove the Reels draft? First of all, click on this plus symbol and click on the Reels option, and now you will see an option on the top called camera, drafts and made for you. Just click on this draft option. Now you will see an option called select option on the top. Just click on the select option. Now it will ask for selecting thing. You can just select it. You can see on the bottom called Discord. If you click Discord, the Reels that you are saved in the draft will be deleted. If you want to delete a particular reel, you can also select single reel and you can delete it. So if you're just going inside the editing part and you're just clicking back, you will see an option called Discord. Yes, Discord. So you can just make just changes. Just click this, select it and click on the Discord. Or you sure want to Discord, which means deleting the draft, just click on the Discord, which actually delete the draft. This is how you just delete the Reels video draft on the Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.